Jumpy Kids! ABC songs.
A is for alligator, snappy and green. B is for bear, the forest queen. C is for cat, who purrs all day. D is for dog, who loves to play. D is for elephant, big and grand. F is for flamingo, on one leg she'll stand. Oh, G is for giraffe, so tall and high. H is for hippo, splashing nearby. I is for iguana, in the sun he lays. J is for jaguar, with sneaky ways. K is for kangaroo, bouncing around. L is for lion, with a mighty sound. M is for monkey, swinging so free. N is for narwhal, swimming in the sea. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, dressed in black and white. Q is for quail, who scurries about. R is for rhino, with a mighty shout. S is for snake, slithering slow. T is for turtle, steady as she goes. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W is for whale, singing a song. X is for x-ray fish, swimming along. Y is for yak, with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes to wear. Now we've sung our A to Z. Animals are fun, you see.
Jumpy Kids! Tap subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a fun moment.